Hi everyone, Isobel here from AgriWebb. Today I'm going to show you how to create a rotational plan using pasture ratings in our grazing planning add-on. First, I want to head to the web app and I want to head to account and then farm management. Here I want to choose the farm settings and I want to make sure my animal units are either in LSU or DSE. Once they're in either of those, I can head back to my units and measurement page and make sure my forage observation method is either stock days or DSE days. Once I'm happy with that, I can save. Then I want to head to my grazing tab. Here I want to go in and create a rotation. I'm going to choose the plan type of paddock rating. I'm going to give my rotation a name, and I can assign it to myself or to a teammate to let them know about the upcoming moves. I then want to choose a rotation start date either today or in the future, set a target rest period and choose either my mobs or, if you're on our individual program, the individuals I'm going to use. Once I save that, I can go in and start creating my rotation. So here I'm going to start selecting my paddocks. As I select my paddocks, the paddock size and the days since grazed populate, as well as the SDH for the last 12 months. Once I'm happy with the paddocks, I can start putting in a paddock rating. And as I'm putting that in, it will start to work out the recommended grazing days. Now I'm going to choose another paddock to put in my rotation. As you can see here, this paddock's already in a different rotation, and if I was to put it in this one, it would conflict the rest period for that paddock. So I'm just going to choose a different one and get it to recalculate the grazing days. So I have the consumption there in SDH, and then I can also adjust my target rest period if I want to increase my consumption. You can also move the paddocks in order, just if you want to change it around. Once I've saved this, I can now head over to my mobile app and do a quick sync. Once it's synced, I can head to my livestock tab and grazing rotations. In here I have my active and my scheduled rotations. So I can go in and start my cow rotation that we just created. So I go in, press start, then press save, and those cows will move into airstrip. And that rotation will also move into the active rotations. So there's my cows in airstrip. If I click on the paddock, I can have a look and see where they're going to next. So I could move them into their next paddock from here. Otherwise, I can head to my task list, and here I can see all my upcoming moves in my rotations that are assigned to me. So I see I need to move my cows from airstrip to butlers. On the day I want to do that, I can go in, I can adjust the date, the animals and the paddock if plans have changed, and I can also reduce the rotation length or lengthen the graze if needed. We hope this helps in planning out your rotations. Make sure to give it a try.